Hello everybody and welcome to Travels with Travis. I am Travis, your host, and I'm alive here in Tucson. It is a perfect sunny day here in Tucson, and today we are going to Tucson's only a dine-in Pizza Hut. So today we're going to kind of reminisce about 90s Pizza Hut. I am a 90s kid. I know Pizza Hut was around longer, but Pizza Hut was the shiz when I was growing up, and it tasted so good. I don't know if it's the same anymore. I haven't had Pizza Hut since 2020. But I would like to thank today's sponsor of this video, Pizza the Hut.
Well, if it isn't Travels with Travis.
Thank you, Pizza the Hut, for that wonderful words of wisdom. I owe you $1 million space bucks for that advertising fee. So, Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut in the 90s, man. I loved the, stained glass and the buffet, the cable TV, man. It was great. I mean, 90s Pizza Hut is, as 90s as, Powerline from a Goofy movie, or maybe Pokemon, or maybe Ninja Turtles. Now, the funny thing about the Ninja Turtles, though, is, number one, that 1990s Ninja Turtle movie is awesome, and it's my absolute favorite. Now, in that movie, though, funny enough, they ordered Domino's pizza. So, never pay full price for late pizza, wise man always says. But, the thing about the Ninja Turtles, though, is they always had that perfect gooey slice of pizza, the one where you, pull and the cheese just pulls. I've always been searching for that slice, and I still haven't found it. But, can Pizza Hut provide? I don't know. But, the Ninja Turtles seem to provide our preferred Domino's, just saying. So, now going back to Ninja Turtles for a second, I find it funny that they ordered Domino's in the movie. However, at the beginning of the film, when you're watching the VHS, before the movie starts, there's a commercial for Pizza Hut. So that's why I mentioned the Ninja Turtles. Anyone remembers, because I went on YouTube to watch this commercial, and it's the kid playing baseball, and he's just kind of derping around back in the backfield, and all his teammates are like, oh my gosh, hey, look out, and he catches the ball that wins them the game, right? And then where do they go afterwards? Pizza Hut, and that was kind of life back then, you had a big game or something, you went to Pizza Hut. And that commercial, I completely forgot about it, but then one day I was like, hey, there wasn't that Pizza Hut commercial at the beginning of the Ninja Turtles movie. So I was all excited, I checked it out on YouTube, and bam, there it was. Man, hit me with the wave of nostalgia feels, but yeah, pretty cool. And then, there's all kinds of great Pizza Hut commercials. The one I remember the most is the 1995 Casper Pizza Hut commercial. Even Casper eats at Pizza Hut. Now, I don't know how Pizza Hut is nowadays. Like I said, I have not eaten there in a long time. There's not very many Pizza Huts left out there that are dine-in, and I know, sorry guys, but Domino's won the Pizza Wars. Right now, if you look at just pretty much the entire income of Domino's, it beats out every other chain out there. Pizza Hut is kind of declining, and it just kind of sucks. It's just not the way it was back in the day. So we're going to check out this Pizza Hut, though. It is a dine-in. Unfortunately, it's not a retro Pizza Hut. It is not the one with all the fancy 90s gizmos inside and decorations. I wish it was. I think if Pizza Hut would just kind of make their recipe better and go back to the retro feel, I think nostalgia would win the day and people would start eating there again. But I don't know. Let me know if you think that you would start eating at Pizza Hut again. Maybe you already eat at Pizza Hut. I don't know. Well, this is the one here. It is at the corner of Speedway and Swan here in Tucson. It doesn't have the hut roof, but it's all good, But let's go inside and check her out. Alright, so we're inside, and obviously it doesn't have the retro look, but I did ask the guy, apparently there are more sit-down Pizza Huts around here, so I actually didn't know that. So, correction from earlier, but I think if Pizza Hut would just bring back the whole sit-down thing and make it retro, I think the 80s, 90s kids who remember all that, they would probably keep it in business, but maybe it's the quality, I don't know. So I got a large stuffed crust with extra cheese and pepperoni and light sauce because I'm 33, man. I got acid reflux. I can't have too much of that sauce. But hanging by the window, so I got a nice view of the mountains over here, and we'll see how it is. But it's just me in here, which is nice. Now, one thing I do miss about some of the old Pizza Huts were the fact that they had the arcade machine. So you had the crane machine, some arcade games and stuff. telling you, man, I don't know why, but the light fixture above each table that had like the stained glass on it, that was like awesome. It just looks cool. It's just like, it's super like 90s Pizza Hut retro, whatever. But yeah, man, we get the pizza, like play some games. It was just like an experience, and I feel like that's kind of declined in America. It's like McDonald's taking away play places. I get why they did it, and there's still some out there, but man, my kid's not gonna have the same experience I did, like waking up and being like, oh my gosh, today's the day we're going to McDonald's to play at the play place, or today's the day we're going to Pizza Hut to get the buffet and play arcade games. Like, it's kind of sad that things have changed in this country that way, where it's more about like pick up and get out of my face, but that's just my opinion. There is a McDonald's with a play place here, but you know, McDonald's doesn't even do birthdays really anymore. That's disappointing, but I personally don't really eat fast food at all. But the thing is I know that a lot of fast foods nowadays, they're just kind of filled with seed oils and other stuff that's really not that great. I mostly cook at home, and that's just better for you as a, you know, healthy person, I guess, but every once in a while it doesn't hurt. Now, I think with fast food things nowadays, or fast food places or pizza places like Pizza Hut, honestly, what would make me respect them a little bit more and maybe eat out a little bit more is if they would just come to the American public and say, hey, we've been putting these kind of crappy ingredients in our food, we admit it, and we're sorry, but you know what? We're gonna commit to better ingredients. No longer are we gonna use soybean oils or whatever else, high fructose corn syrup. Like, we're just gonna use real sugar. And I understand, it's more expensive, I get it. But I would rather pay a higher price for food that does not have seed oils and other filler ingredients and such that is not really good for you, to have something that is better for you. Now, have the ingredients changed over the years? Yes, I understand that back in like the day, a lot of fast food places did not use those kinds of ingredients, and now they do because it's cheaper. I get it. But this is a once in a while thing, so it's just, some days I just miss the 90s, you know? So we'll wait for our pizza and see how it is.
Pizza time.
Alright guys, pizza's here, so let's see if it reminds me of the 90s. I got stuffed crust, of course, because it's fun to eat it from the back. I like that. Wait a minute, is that in the script? We're gonna cut that. Anyways. See, the cheese in the back had that Ninja Turtles like pull. I do like that stuffed crust. So the stuffed crust is good. The pepperoni is nice and crispy. Now the pepperoni does taste the same as I do remember it. I will say the only thing that's slightly different is the cheese. Cheese is good, but there's just like, I don't know, this certain texture / flavor of the cheese that I just remember being bomb. Not quite the same, but it's still good. I wish I could go back to Pizza Hut in the 90s, even early 2000s. The one we had in our town had a buffet. We'd go hang out at the buffet. They had cable TV, so they'd have like Bugs Bunny and Tom and Jerry on. And they had some arcade machines there, which was awesome, but shut down, it's gone now, which is sad. It's a sign of the times. But anyways, guys, I do appreciate you strolling with me down this walk down memory lane. Do you remember pizza in the 90s? What was your favorite pizza back then? Domino's pizza? Was it something else? Heck, in our town we had Cece's Pizza, and that was really good too. But hey, appreciate you joining me again. I'm Travis, I'm alive in Tucson, and long live the 90s.